When operating a CNC machine, there are several common mistakes that users may make. These mistakes can affect the accuracy of the product, the lifespan of the machine, and work efficiency. Below are some of the most common mistakes: not inspecting the machine before operation. 1. Mistake: skipping a thorough inspection of the machine parts before operation. 2. Consequences: this can lead to technical issues, damage to important components, or safety hazards during work. 3. Solution: carefully check elements such as lubrication oil, cables, cutting tools, and control systems. Not cleaning the machine after each shift. 1. Mistake: failing to clean the CNC machine after use. 2. Consequences: dirt and grease can cause blockages or wear out machine parts, reducing the machine's lifespan. 3. Solution: perform regular cleaning after each shift, clean the surfaces and essential components. Incorrect tool installation. 1. Mistake: installing cutting tools incorrectly or improperly, such as cutting blades, drills, or tool heads. 2. Consequences: this reduces machining accuracy, causes rapid wear, or damages the tool. 3. Solution: ensure the cutting tools are installed correctly and double-check before operating. Using incorrect parameters in the control software. 1. Mistake: entering incorrect parameters into the control software, such as cutting speed, feed rate, or cutting depth. 2. Consequences: the machined product may be inaccurate, material may be damaged, or work efficiency may decrease. 3. Solution: always verify and ensure that the parameters in the CNC software match the machining requirements. Not setting the initial coordinate system correctly. 1. Mistake: failing to set the initial coordinate system correctly before starting the machining process. 2. Consequences: the machine may cut in the wrong position, causing material damage or producing an incorrect sized product. 3. Solution: ensure the coordinate system is set correctly and check it before starting the machining process.